Have you ever wondered what it is that's eating you up from the inside? Do you feel an unease that lingers without any apparent reason? Or do you feel like the people around you can't grasp the unseen battle you're fighting? And the biggest question of all, is there a solution? If these questions have sparked your curiosity, then you're in exactly the right place. Today's topic is generalized anxiety disorder. This is a problem that troubles many people. Let's delve deeper into this. Let's take a look at its main points. First, we will see what it is, how many types are there, what are its symptoms, what causes it, how can it be prevented, how is it diagnosed, how can it be treated, and finally, its conclusion. Generalized anxiety disorder is a type of anxiety disorder where you feel anxious or worried all the time without any specific reason. Imagine feeling like something bad is going to happen, but you can't figure out what it is. This worry is so intense that it interferes with daily life. I hope now you have a bit of an idea about generalized anxiety disorder. Now let's move on to the next point where we will learn about its types. Friends, generalized anxiety disorder itself is a type of anxiety disorder, but there are other types of anxiety as well. For example, panic attacks, where a person suddenly feels very scared, or social anxiety, where there is fear of being around people. We have already made a great video on the types of anxiety, which you can watch by clicking the I button here, because today we will talk only and only about generalized anxiety disorder. Now let's look at the next point, where we will see some common symptoms. There are many symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder, but we have covered some common symptoms in this video, such as constant worry about things like studies, work, or family. Next, trouble sleeping or waking up frequently. Next, difficulty concentrating or mind wandering off. Next, feeling fatigued without reason or having body aches. Next, getting angry quickly or being irritable. So friends, these were some common symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder. If you know any other symptoms, please write them in the comment box. Or you can click on the I button here to watch this video, where we have covered 45 anxiety symptoms. Now, let's move to the next point. Just as there are many symptoms, there are also many causes of generalized anxiety disorder, but we have covered some common causes in this video. Let's start with genetics. If someone in your family has had issues with anxiety, it might affect you as well. Next, the impact of your environment, such as job stress or problems in personal life. Next, physical imbalances can also be a cause, such as improper functioning of brain chemicals. These are some common causes. Now let's move to the next point, where we will see how it can be prevented. There are some measures to prevent it, such as start doing exercise or yoga. It helps to keep the mind calm. Next, eat healthy food, avoid junk food. Next, get good sleep, avoid mobile or TV before going to bed. Next, reduce stress through meditation or deep breathing exercises. These are some common steps by following, which you can prevent generalized anxiety disorder. Now let's move to the next point, where we will learn how it is diagnosed. Let's find out. To identify generalized anxiety disorder, JD, your doctor will ask you several questions and listen to your complete story. Sometimes they might also conduct blood tests or other tests to ensure that there is no other illness causing these symptoms. These are some steps through which diagnosis is done. Now let's move to the main point, where we will learn how it can be treated. Treatment for generalized anxiety disorder, JD, is possible. There are some specific remedies. Let's start with psychological help. Getting psychological help, such as a lot of benefits, can be gained from CBT, which stands for Cognitive Behavioral Therapy. Next, based on the doctor's advice, you can also take some medications. Next, make changes to your daily routine, like doing regular exercise, eating healthy. So friends, these were some steps with the help of which GAD can be treated. If you feel there is something missing in our video, please let us know in the comment box and share your strategies. Now, its conclusion. So friends, that was our discussion today on generalized anxiety disorder. If you or someone you know or a family member shows such symptoms, please seek help. Remember, seeking help is not a weakness, but a step of courage. We all need help at some time, and in matters of mental health, it becomes even more important. Friends, I hope you liked our video today and that it has taught you something new and important. If so, please like this video, share it, And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do so now, so you don't miss out on upcoming videos on such important topics. Take care of yourself and stay happy. Thank you.